Hi guys, we're going to continue the work on our Wall Pilates series and keep it nice and balanced between the abdominals, the hips, some of the standing movements while progressing some of the exercising to get you a little bit more challenge. Let's get started. Let's start sideways, pushing the right hand into the wall, lifting the left arm and taking over into a nice side stretch. Lift, exhale, think of hips are a little bit moving away from the wall, giving you more stretch into the side of your hip. Good, and waistline. And again, lift with the inhale, exhale, press a little bit away. Let's add a little bit of rotation. Drop the arms square off to the center. Take it over into the side bend. Rotate the chest. Keep reaching that free arm towards the wall. And again, take it over. Rotate the chest. Pull those abdominals and feel that your spine nice and lengthened. Turn around. Left hand pushing into the wall. Arm up. Exhale. Just the side bending. Lift. Good. Keep that connection towards the wall and think of your hips are moving a little bit away from it. Good. And let's add the rotation. Take it over, rotate the chest, scoop the belly, reach the arm, drop it down and restack to center. Take it over, scoop the belly, pull those ribs, feel that length through the back. Good. And one more time. Over, scoop the belly, tuck the tailbone, and restack to the center. Let's step a little bit away from the wall. Both hands are pushing into it. You're slightly leaning forward, and we're going to hinge your hips to the back and bring them forward, squeezing into the glutes. Nice and easy. Sit back into imaginary chair and push your hips forward. Feel free to find a nice position so you're not too far away from the wall and not too close. Arms are staying straight, so working a little bit into your shoulder mobility here. Let's pause that hinge and tuck the tailbone, scoop the belly. Good. Feel that you're going into slight imprint of your lower back. And inhale, open those sit bones nice and wide. Few more times. Just the articulation through the pelvis, tucking it under and opening through the sit bones. Good. Lift it up and let's add that hip extension, alternating the legs. Kick back, squeeze your glute. Good. Arms are staying nice and strong, pressing a little bit into the wall. Abdominals are tight. Open the front of the thigh. Good. Squat and kick back and kick back. Good. A few more times. Good. Shifting weight side to side and bring it over. Open up the chest and push away from the wall. Let's turn around and place your back against the wall. Hands are slightly pressing into it, fingertips down, and just sliding the hips down on the inhale. Exhale, push through the heels to come up. So on the lower position, so your knees are about 90 degrees bent. We pause here and add the arm scissors. Good. Feel that nice push into the wall. Make sure your head is connected and keeping the abdominals tight. Reach those arms long and switch. Quick inhale, exhale to switch. Reaching long through the fingertips. Good. And come all the way up to reset. Let's go down into that chair position. Good. Walk your feet, adjust if you need to. Good. We're going to load the arms right in front. Open one arm to the side. Tap to the wall. Bring it back in. Open. Pull it in. Feel that your body is not shifting. You're working those obliques here. And keep the push through the legs, or your thighs must be burning. Open. Exhale. Pull. Ribs are still in. Good. And press through the arms and come all the way up. Good. Come a little bit closer to the wall. Reach those arms up and roll down, peeling off the wall. Good. And relax your head. Roll it side to side. No tension there. Good. And restack your spine back to the vertical. We're going to lower all the way down on the mat. So come a little bit closer to the wall and bring both feet flat against it. Arms are up. We're going to exhale, curl, reaching both hands between the legs towards the wall. Good. Scoop those abdominals, easy on the neck. Keep looking where hands are going. Good. Curl with the exhale. Inhale to lengthen. And you can go at your pace. You can slow down a little bit. Good. Curl. We're gonna hold it here. Bring the arms to the sides, and let's add those scissors. Feel the burn in your obliques. Keep the curl. And again, connect your feet and feel that your upper body stays nice and squared. Good. Heavy into those shoulders. Couple more times. And come all the way down to reset. Float the arms around. Bring them behind the head. Let's curl up. Rotate, reach the arm to the opposite knee. Good. And twist with the inhale. Twist with the exhale. Inhale through the center. Good. And reach. Think of coming up and over. Still having that nice lift. Working through the core. And center. Reach. Bring it back in and lower down. Inhale. Exhale. Curl up. Straighten the leg, and we're going to open arm and leg and reach them towards each other. You're going to keep the rotation to that left side. Keep that lift. Open, exhale, pull together. Open, pull them in. Release it through the center. Inhale. Let's do the other side. Rotate, reach the arm, straighten the leg, and open and pull. Open, tap the wall. Reconnect. Exhale as you reach towards the leg. Think of adding that little curl. In. Exhale, in. Get a little bit higher up the leg so you have that lift, and return it back onto the mat. Nice. Let's curl up again. Good. And just walk the knees. Walk your feet. Pull the knee and return to the wall. Pull. Good. Think of keeping those shoulder blades off the floor. In and in, nice and easy. And pull, scooping through those lower abdominals. Return it back down. And again, let's curl and rotate towards the knee. Little tap, little tap. The temptation here is to pull the knee closer to the chest. Think of doing the opposite, reaching the elbow forward more towards the leg. Twist. Exhale, rotate. Keep those elbows wide. Great. And return it all the way down. Stretch the arms. Keep those abdominals a break. And curl and come all the way up. Let's turn around on your hands and knees. So let's keep the feet against the wall so you have a nice connection there. Walk your hands a little bit ahead of the shoulders, and we're going to lean back with your bum and scoop the belly, roll and drop the hips down into slight extension through the spine. Scoop the tummy on the way in. Pull those abdominals. Good. Keep drawing the belly button in to have this supported extension. And tuck your tailbone. Push through the hands and lean back your hips to the wall. Roll through the spine. Open up the chest. Shoulders back and down. Exhale. Scoop those lower abs. Lean back. Fold the hips. And again, inhale. Widen your shoulders. Release the neck. Exhale. Scoop through the belly. Lead with the hips. Good. A few more times. Good. So exhale. Lean back to the wall. Good. Come forward just into the plank position. So lift both knees up. Okay. Adjust your hands if you need to. Good. So your heels are staying against the wall. Push a little bit back. And you're going to bend the knee and do a little tap to the floor. Keep your hips nice and stable. Ribs are pulled in, so you're wearing a nice corset around the waistline or giant belt. Good. Tap and tap. Lower the knees. Lean back one more time. Good. Bring the right hand over the left. Rotate your chest. Big inhale there into the ribs. and walk your left hand over the right. Big inhale. Stretch one more time through the shoulders and roll through the spine to come all the way up. Awesome work, you guys. So let me know how many calories you burned through the workout. See you.